Hey guys, Czar here. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It's 1:47 in the afternoon. I'm liking what I'm seeing here for my second trade of the day. Looking at the E-mini here. Looking to buy above this piece right here. Give me one moment. I want to see something. Yep, even above here, guys. Right there. And stop below. Stop below. Bear with me. Right there. Can you see that? Bear with me. I'm just going to go to my own platform here for a moment so I can participate in this with you. But that's the buy stop order right there. All right, this is the kind of basing I like to see. We've got this impulse, kind of this shift move here with these two big 30-minute candles. This is a 2-minute chart, by the way. And then this basing, really messy and expanding, dip down below, usually taking liquidity. You can see that in the form of this wick here below the twilight zone bracketed support area that you see right there. I just moved that. Okay, there we go. And so now looking for this to scoop and break. If it doesn't break, there is no go. If it breaks down, I'm not interested in being in this. Why did I choose this piece right here, even though there's a wick? Because that, if you look at my cursor, is above both of these wicks here on the 30-minute candle. Can you see that? I'm going to hold it there, right? That's all it takes. So if I waited until above this wick, then it's the same candle, if that makes any sense. We've already gone there. This is a pullback to the 21. We've tagged the 21 EMA. We've maintained a bullish configuration here. And now I'm looking for this to surge higher, potentially. It's been a very sloppy day, I will say. Hence my losing trade first thing in the morning here. Out of the gates when there was just no juice to follow through. Very indecisive early part of the day. You can see with all this messiness in these candles. This is the S&P. Same picture, even worse actually on the Dow and the NASDAQ as well. I won't show that to you yet because of I want you to see this trigger in here if in fact it goes. That's an extreme target of 2R, a primary target of 1R. See if we can get up there. Really sluggish though, as you can see. All right, guys, I'll put you on pause. Cutting out dead air, sideways grinding action, non-teaching moments. Keep this video nice and tight. But I'll bring you back as this materializes. Let's see if we can get triggered in on this, shall we? And just got the alert triggered in. I've been sitting here. This is a 2-minute chart, so I've been waiting for this to happen. There we go, guys. So that's the entry right there. Long the ES, S&P 500. Put you back on pause. We'll see how this materializes, come back and talk about it. This is a zone reversal trade, by the way, guys. After the twilight zone, right? We'll discuss it in more detail here. And target 1 has been hit, so the 1R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And of course, the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has now moved their stop to break even because we hit 1R. So they will either get 0 or they'll get 2R and nothing in between. And of course, the 1.5R and the 2R all or nothing trader is still sitting here waiting to see if they can be profitable as well. I'll put you on pause and we'll come back. And target 2 has been hit. The 1.5R all or nothing trader has left the game with full profitability. And now we're going to wait to see if we can hit the final target here in power hour. It's 3:29 right now. Getting some juice coming into this thing for sure. If we can get up to the top there, you see the range up here on the 30-minute chart? That's target 3. That would be the 2R. Let's see if we can do it together live here. And there it is, guys. And so that's actually not the score. Let me just put you on pause for 1 second. There it is. That's the actual score where the 2R move stop to break even at 1R was break even because we hit 1R here, pulled back to break even, and they were stopped out. Everybody made money except for the break even. And this was, of course, a zone reversal trade, guys. We drove all the way down in through the lunchtime, the twilight zone, and then the 1 o'clock candle. This was the 1 o'clock candle. It failed to break above the bracketed twilight zone. But the next candle, the 1:30, is the one that broke above. I got in actually a little bit late. not much, a little bit higher than I would have liked to, but this was a very messy base, and so I wanted to make sure that that was cleared out. And you remember my entry, of course, from earlier in the video. It's been a long time for me, but not for you. We entered this trade at around 152. It is now 331. Thanks for being here, guys. Have an amazing night, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.